Oh, Samulullah. Good morning from Tsuglakhang. I'm ready to have a blessing from His Holiness, the 14th Dalai Lama. And Friday, October 24th, I believe 7 a.m. in the morning. And this is how it looks like right now. People are gathering. Not so many right now. Because I was told that His Holiness will give audience or blessing to visitor at 8:30 a.m. sharp. So we gotta be inside by 7:30, must. All right, so this is how it looks like. I'm dressed in chuba, come chuba, and hope I look cool, right? Spot. Lots of people early morning, man. The usual ducha desha. The messaging judo. Wow, cool. You know that? The chido gugya ducha desha. And the soon summer. Chatong ya. We have a sugar that yard of the shop at that one with sugar. That's a one. Someone. That's it. Deja. Oh, yeah, and then ma do it to be chicken. Do it chicken. Yes, I should go host you to switch the watermelon juice. I don't want to get there. Yes, so chaga. Cool. And this is Shah. Good morning, everyone. Thursday morning in Dharamsala. It's called Airtel Cafe. Just having tea and some bakery. All right. Gallery Cafe, sorry. Video got it.
Happy birthday, Chuck.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Getting older.
Birthday to you.
Sit down for it.
Happy birthday once again.
How many times? Thank you very much. Wishing me birthday, yeah.
What years completed?
Birthday. Kumain ya, boda?